Hello, this is Peter. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss how to be rich with loans, embarking on the journey to financial prosperity through loans can indeed be a bold and transformative endeavor. As we delve into this strategy, it's important to recognize the potential it holds for those who approach it with diligence, knowledge, and a steadfast commitment to success. Let's explore how, with careful planning and a well-informed approach, you can unlock opportunities to achieve your financial dreams. Here are some steps to consider. Step number 1. Invest in income-generating assets. If you take out a loan, use it to invest in assets that generate income, such as starting a business, buying rental properties, or investing in stocks. The income generated should ideally exceed the cost of the loan, including interest. Step number 2. Manage risk. Be cautious about the amount of debt you take on, and ensure you have a solid plan to manage it. High levels of debt can be financially crippling if your investments do not perform as expected. Step number 3. Financial education. Gain a deep understanding of finance and investments. Consider consulting with financial advisors who can provide guidance on managing your investments and debt. Step number 4. Diversification. Avoid putting all your borrowed funds into a single venture. Diversifying your investments can help spread risk. Step number 5. Creditworthiness. Maintain good credit to access loans with favorable terms. A strong credit history can help you secure lower interest rates. Step number 6. Emergency fund. Have an emergency fund in place to cover unexpected expenses and loan repayments if your investments do not perform as expected. Step number 7. Long-term perspective. Building wealth through loans is often a long-term endeavor. Be prepared for fluctuations in your investments and stick to your financial plan. Step number 8. Legal and ethical considerations. Ensure that your financial activities are legal and ethical. Engaging in fraudulent or unethical behavior can lead to legal trouble and financial ruin. Step number 9. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor your financial situation and make adjustments as needed. If your investments are not performing well, consider alternative strategies. Step number 10. Professional advice. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals, such as financial planners, accountants, and lawyers, to help you navigate the complexities of wealth building with loans. In conclusion, while building wealth through loans is not without its challenges, it's important to remember that countless individuals have successfully navigated this path to financial abundance. With a strong foundation of financial education, a strategic mindset, and unwavering determination, you too can harness the power of loans to realize your aspirations and secure a brighter financial future. Believe in your ability to make well-informed decisions, and the potential for success becomes limitless. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to reach out. Your feedback and inquiries are invaluable to us, and we're here to provide you with the information and assistance you need. Feel free to leave your comments below. Send us an email. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to serving you better in the future. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.